Hello, kids. Welcome back to the world of knowledge. Today, let's learn school objects in English and Spanish.
Book,
Libro,
pencil,
lápiz,
pen,
bolígrafo,
eraser,
borrador,
notebook,
cuaderno,
ruler,
regla,
bag,
mochila,
desk,
escritorio,
blackboard,
pizarra,
scissors.
tijeras.
Great job, everyone. You learned school objects in English and Spanish. Keep practicing every day. See you in the next